So it's been overlooked and it's a power steering line. Currently being undone.
Yo, what's going on, guys? We have a 300ZX here. As some of you may know, my girlfriend had passed away and this was her car. I actually helped her get it, and her family was nice enough to donate it to myself and the Lowcals group here. So we're gonna be doing a crazy build to it. It's gonna happen over like summer and winter. But basically today, in this video, we're gonna be removing the engine and transmission all together as one. And just pretty much getting it ready. It's basically, the goal for it is it's going to be a race car, like a summer race car.
Lovers left lying in the dark, never faded by the lights or the dark. Across the world, across the ocean, you are. Lighting the lights that fire inside will never, never die. Never, never die. Never, never die. Never, never die. Never, never die.
David, what kind of tips or tricks would you give to people that are pulling a motor first time in their life?
Just do it.
Just do it. Wow. Give us an update.
So this can't be on the car when it's pulled because the shifter hits right here. So we have to disconnect this.
David, I think myself and all of our viewers have a big question.
So,
how come the steering wheel is on the wrong side?
don't have time for jokes, man.
I tried. I failed. We'll get them next time.
Yeah, I think we just lift it and then pull it back.
A few moments later.
David, I have to capture you in this situation where you're perhaps regretting doing this engine pull. How do you feel?
Feel good.
Still feel good?
Yeah,
You still know what you're doing?
I stay optimistic.
But do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, it's really hard to get to the bolts that I need.
Currently, there's a little delay because of the steering, right?
Yeah, the steering column is in the way of the exhaust manifold elbow thingy.
Let's have a little update with the steering column that you've been struggling with for the last a good hour, I'd say.
Really?
Yeah, it's been like an hour.
3:28 a.m.
So it's been overlooked and it's a power steering line. Currently being undone.
I feel like it's still a track somewhere.
It's so close.
Yes, literally right here.
So close.
Maybe this on the inside.
So what stage are we on? What's happening?
We wanted to keep all the connectors on and just fish the main engine, like ECU harness out.
There has been a plan change since it's unknown what is holding the harness. It's decided that the clips are going to be taken off while the harness is being pulled out. Let's have a tutorial on how to take a glove box out of a 300.
You pretty much just need to know how to take out a 10 mil.
I think the moral of the story is you don't.
And we're not even close.
Oh yeah. Guess you don't.
Ain't gonna force it if it ain't right. But I would love if it stayed tonight. You take me high.
Alright guys, so it's day 2 of pulling the Z engine. Basically the harness, the whole engine harness. My goal was to leave all the connectors on the engine and then just feed the ECU harness through with the engine. But the harness was bolted in behind the dash. So if you take a look at the dash, I literally had to disassemble everything. And then unbolt like a bracket holding the ECU wiring on. And then now it's actually free to feed through the firewall. So there's the firewall, that's what the harness is coming out of, and that's what was preventing us from removing this yesterday. But it's all good now. Alright, so we got the engine out and tranny. I'm just gonna go ahead and impact the tranny bolts off because this engine is getting sold and I'm keeping the 5-speed manual transmission. Nice.
David. It's a nice torque converter. It's a nice torque converter.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the NA VG30DE is out of the car alongside the transmission here. I'm actually going to be keeping the transmission, but this engine here is for sale. And yeah, in the next video you guys will see what engine we're picking up to put into this thing. Have you shown this thing yet? There's a big hole in it now. And yeah, like AC is going to get deleted. The AC and like all the heating control stuff barely worked. It didn't even work actually, so I'm just gonna remove it rather than repair it and keep using it. So weight reduction, race car. All right guys, and make sure you follow us on Instagram and turn the notifications on for videos. We got a videographer now, so we're gonna be pumping out lots of videos. Follow us and yeah, stay tuned.
Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder. I can see you and I.
David, I'm just testing camera. Would you like to wave? Hi.
Peace.
Yeah, it's pretty close.